Okay, today we got to put in a power supply, so we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Let me show you the beast. It's a fairly new Dell. I already did the troubleshooting and found out that it needs a power supply, so we're going to go ahead and do that today. Plus, I guess I need to vacuum it up. Dust monster. Okay, the power supply that I'm pulling out of there is a 300 watt, I believe. Let me see. It's a 300 watt Delta. And we're going to put in this one. 450 watt. This one's fairly simple. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's got 24 pins on the main motherboard. It's got a 4-pin P4 connector. And I'm only using 2 of the SATA drive plugs. And this one had 4 plus a floppy. So let's open this up and see what we have. Yeah, so it looks pretty nice so far. It's been packed pretty nice. It says a ton of wires on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2 more is 12, so there's a 24 pin. Separate it out like that. It's got 1. Here's my P4 connector. Well, it's got a ton. Yeah, this has a ton of jacks. Looks pretty nice too. Comes with new screws. I like the big large fan. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. You can see right in there. Plus it's got the switch on the outside, which is nice if you want to just throw it for you know, a storm coming through or something like that. So there's the Antec. Yeah, so it says it has a 20 plus 4-pin motherboard connector, one of those. It's got one of the 4-pin ATX 12-volt connectors. It's got one of the 6-pin PCIe connectors, 4 Molex connectors, 4 ATA serials, and 1 floppy. So it certainly has enough connectors. I'm going to go ahead and get this ready to mount up here. I just fit it into the hole, now I just got to put these screws in here. So the other power supply was like a silver color. This one's black. And it has this nice fan here too, so that's a plus. And it's a 450 and the other one was a 300, so I'm thinking this one's going to be great. I hope so. My big hands don't get in the way here. There's way more cords here than I need, which is a plus when you need a lot of cords. So I'm not complaining. Okay, I had to steal some pliers from Steve here. Let's get this wiring harness off here. Fun. First up, motherboard connection. And should fit right in here. I hope this is filming because I'm not going to tear this apart to do it again. Then I'm going to need a P4 connection. Let's say this. Okay, here's a couple P4s here. I call these P4s. Only need one. Of course, I've got two. I'll use this first one. No, just let the other one hang. Just want to make sure it doesn't get into the fan. So I'll run it like that. Then I'm gonna need one of these for the hard drive and one of these for the optical drive, the CD-ROM. So instead of just taking them off the jumper, what I'll do is each leg of these has a 12-volt supply. So I'm going to go ahead and take one off here and one off here instead of taking them both off the same leg. Remember that the orange wire goes to the inside just like on the old style. The power, the red goes towards the ribbon cable. Same thing on this. Little things like that make it easier to snap in. Okay. Go one more in here. There we have it. Now I'm going to try to get all these back in this harness if I can. See what happens here. Yeah, I think it would be possible here. Looks like I'm gonna have to go through the top though. Just about out of time on this tape, I'm pretty sure, so I'm gonna speed it along here. Okay, I'm going to take this over, vacuum it out real quick. Looks like I've got all the wiring down in there as good as I can get. Let's just give it a quick test here and see if it's going to work. There she goes. See if something fires up here real quick. Hey. Okay, so everything's spinning. I'm gonna go ahead and take it over, vacuum it out, and we'll be back. Alright, back to the PC that needs the vacuum job here. I like to use this little brush here when I'm vacuuming and get on the fan. Just use a shop vac. Amazing how dirty these get so quick. The main thing is this down here. Alright, back to the board here. There we go. Just want to put the cover back on. Okay, one last test. Get everything plugged in here. And the power. There we go. Here's the machine we're putting it in. 570. Okay, here we go. Sounds good. I hear fans rolling. I hear beeping. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Okay, I would call this a success. Unplug it, call the customer, and I'm done. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.